possible of sort of saying you're always welcome to City Hall in Manila. You're the people maker.
Yun. Beautiful.
Miss Universe third runner-up, Atisa Manalo!
Excuse me po, madal.
We also like to thank the Miss Universe Philippines President Jonas Gatut, Miss Universe Philippines National Director Ariel Alida. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Universe third runner-up, Atisa Manalo! We'd like to thank our director from Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts of Manila sa pagsalubong po sa ating Miss Universe third runner-up, Atisa Manalo. Also, we'd like to thank Miss Universe Philippines Vice President for Global and National Search, Miss Mags Coe, Miss Universe Philippines Vice President for Marketing, Mr. Mario Garcia. Muli po, mga kapwa namin empleyado ng Manila City Hall at mga batang Maynila, palakpakan po natin Miss Atisa Manalo.
Bouncer, pasok kayo. Luwag. Buka! Kaya. Gusto ko lang yun yun. Kala ko si...
Kamusta kayo? Hi, Jonas. How are you? Welcome. Hi, Jonas. Kailangan natin ng mga inspiration yan nowadays. Sa hirap ng buhay ng tao. Inspiration. Any teenager in the country. You're from Quezon. Talaga. Alam mo ba, Chi, from what I have heard, you've been joining Pageant. Very young age. Pareho pala kami. Hindi, 10 years old ako. No, 10 years old ako naging basurero. Since 10 years old. High school. Then I promoted myself like you promoted yourself. Competed in the world. We're very excited. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Nakita mo, masaya mga taga-Maynila. So after that, ano ang gagawin niyo na? Mag-ikot kayo sa mundo? O ano bang mga schedule niya, Jonas?
I'm busy. Busy na. So we are also tying up with Sparkle.
Oh, you're in good hands. You will continue to sparkle.
Yes, so and thank you, Mayor. We're very excited to meet Parade because I think that, as you said, I think it's not really good. And especially now na 500 pesos na Noche Buena. Okay na lang. But I think that these guys brought like pride to our country.
Yes, that's what
Especially in trying times. We are very proud.
correct. I think that can be your message to those teenagers wishing to be successful in their field and their career. Try and continue to inspire. Even though in you're located in the parkland areas. I mean, there was a time, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not so familiar, but I have an idea, wherein Bicolanos, maraming beauty queen or beauty that excels
Started with Venus Rock.
Yeah.
Then nagkaroon ng Bicol with
Yes, I remember that when I was a vice mayor then at the time. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na monopolize ng Metro Manila ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Pilipina ay nasa buong Pilipinas.
Yun po yung ginawa namin sa Miss Universe Philippines. Sabi ko, we have to, hindi pwedeng sa Manila lang ang casting, ang audition. So that's why we have this time. So that the global, actually, global and local. Because we also have Filipinas around the world.
Sa Zamboanga, sa Dumaguete, yung mga pinuntahan, ang dadaming magaganda. Mga Ilongga, maraming, ano yun, Cebuano, they're everywhere.
In recent years po, like, ang winners namin, Miss Iloilo, Miss Cebu, Miss, it's not already like yung galing ng Manila.
Saka nagtataka ako, bakit pagka sa probinsya mas makangkal? Marami bang star margarine?
Pero nag-antay pa rin kami ng Miss Manila.
Oo.
Miss Philippines.
We're gonna revive Miss Manila. I hope you join us and inspire teenagers. But in as much as I can, we're just trying to efficiently spend our little resources and limited resources to social services. In fact, pagpapasensya mo mamaya, pag-ikot mo sa Maynila, pag-ikot kayo sa Maynila, pagpapasensya mo, wala ka masyado makikita mga baron or something. Even to that point, I canceled acquisition of such. And I just wanted to put up one tree, and we're about to light it up. Kailan yan? Sa Biyernes. Para lalaking siguro. But we wanted to still share some things. Alam mo yung takwiran ng mga magulang sa bahay. Yung iniraraos yung Pasko para may mapagkarin mo ng malaman. Doon ko na lang itinuon na walang pamilya mo ninyo pagdating ng 24 Disyembre sa Noche-Buena na hindi kakain kahit papaano man lang. Yun nga, madalas ko naririnig sa natin may magpaghari mo na. Ilan sila magkakapatid? Mami, matatagdag din. Ikaw lang. Minonopolize niyo yata Star Margarine. You know, your mom and I, our generation, we were made to believe in the 80s. Kain ka ng Star, tatangkad ka.
Galing marketing nila.
So it's stuck in our heart and our mind na nung araw, may bibili kang pandesal sa panaderia. Tapos, meron doon 50 centavos. Naka-pre-slice na yung keso. Yung keso. Tapos may foil yun. Tapos gusto mo naman, magpapapahid ka ng ng mantikilya. Tawag yung mantikilya. Style sa pandesal. Kasi feeling namin tatangkad kami dahil gusto namin kasi noon yung basketball. Sila Don ng Palayo, Rudy Distrito, Luisaga, Jaworski, yung mga Abdel Patrimonio. Those were the eras eh. Lahat yata ng kanto, gumagawa kami ng basketball court eh. Those were the days. But I'm really happy. So how was it? Anong pakiramdam pagka nandun ka na? Like, you know, you're seeing the beautiful women of the world. You're surrounded with beautiful women like you. And then when you look,
It's a good day every day. Maganda lang ang kita ko.
now I know the secret. Ito, magaganda. Kita mo ito. Ito si former congresswoman, now tourism director.
Oh, wow.
This Konechi. Ito naman, si Vice Mayor.
Mga tol.
So you're gonna do the showbiz after the a year, no? I think a year. You have an obligation within a year, no? To fulfill.
I don't know much.
You don't know? Oh, it's very colorful.
Maybe I don't want that much daughter.
It will. It depends on how you look at it. Well, I can only speak for myself. I look at it as a livelihood. Because I don't know if you know my story. It's a livelihood to me, and that's why I really try to excel it in a professional manner. Pinapupilit ko yung sarili ko. Because if you competed to 122 beautiful women of the world, you are competing also with thousands of actors and actresses. Mas masikip ang para kang dumadaan sa unas ng karayo. Kaya pinilit kong magbuti. In a short period of time, we were about 100 plus in That's Entertainment. In a short period of time, like a year, producers started noticing. And that catapult my career. So, depende talaga. Basta,
Napapanood ka na rin yan.
oh, oh, 97 ka pinanganak, ano?
97.
Oh, malay mo, 1 year old ka nung mag-umpisa ako sa pamahalaan. 98 eh. 98 ako. 97. 97, I'm still doing Jimmy Super Show. 97, yeah. Still doing Jimmy Super Show. Kasi after mo kung That's Entertainment, i-promote ka na sa Jimmy Super Show. Kung mag-excel ka. Please. maganda showbiz. You know, right now, future there, especially with your statue. Pagka ganyan ang mukha ng eksena mo, lagi kang ma-inspire. Promise. There is always a big place for you. Showbiz. After this, kung ano tawag yan? Jonas, anong tawag sa kanya? The rain. You have to be performing such obligation within the next 12 months, no? Tama ba ako? Good. Galingan mo. Go around the country. Inspire kids. Inspire kids. Go around the country.
It's gonna be on them. Make sure I go around the country.
Go to, have you seen Basila? You should go to Basila. It's a beautiful place. Nowadays, it's a peaceful place. I was there many times, whether showbiz or politics. Go to the backcountry. Maraming mga magandang lugar sa go to Coron, mga lugar na you never know when they see you, they get inspired. Sometimes seeing their idols, nag-boost ng aspiration ba tawag sa English?
Never seen that, diba? Second time yung kumain sa Philippines.
That's what I have told the students yesterday.
She didn't win last year. So she won this year.
See? That's what I've been telling the students. In life, you're going to face so many failures. Failures is inevitable. But it teaches you a very good lesson to be a better person the following day.
Sabi nga niya, when she was joining again, ako yung kinukanta. Sure ka na, nasali ka ulit. Kasi alam kong lapita, pero hindi ko nasa judges yan, no? Pero yun yung siya eh. So sabi niya, last na niya.
She was able to explain herself, talk about her thoughts, and answer the question, which is not easy when there's a time limit.
Talagang nanonood ka.
Alam mo, hindi ko na pa-call.
Andiyan pa yun, no? Andiyan pa yung mga Mexico. Oo.
Nasa office ko sila, nanonood.
Kasi dito sa Manila.
Narinig ko.
At isa dito sa Manila, ang policy ko, since mayor ako. Although personal belief ko niya, when I was vice mayor, but my policy in Manila is walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang lalaki, walang babae. Lahat. So, I don't know if you notice going inside, everyone, kahit iba-iba yung mga preference nila sa buhay. Big and board, babae, even in the front line, even in the office, whether ano man ang skills nila. Eh kahapon, nung sinabing darating ka, ang una ko naalala yung mga paklako.
Huwag yung mga Mexico. Kasi ano nila, ang kanila eh, siyempre.
Aspiration.
Kaya lahat yun, most of them are working. Kaya di masasayahin ang tao nito kasi walang prejudice. Nangongonyat ako sa nabubuli. Konya, focus ko sa buka. Lahat, may equal chance. It's how it is. The way it is. I may be wrong to someone. That's the way it is. Walang mayaman. Everyone has a chance to excel. Level in playing. Kaya magandang maging inspiration. Ako lang, sasabi ko lang sa mga yung invite natin quiz me.
Yes.
Ano sabi ko sa you're going to pay. It's not because I want you to pay. You're going to experience. It doesn't mean you're a failure. Keep on going. Alam niyo yung commercial ng baterya? Energizer. Keeps it going. You have to go. Like you, very good example of that. One point in your life, you failed. And the best and easiest thing for you to do is to stop that. But you did not. That's why you are attained greatness. be an inspiration to Filipino children. Kailangan niya. Kailangan namin ng inspiration. Kailangan namin. Kailangan ng tao tayo. So we have to really move on fast. And moving on, we need some inspiration. Ako, ang inspiration ko rito ay yung mga lolo ako sa yung isang. Doon ako umuhugot lagi. Lakas na doon. Despite of our physical problem. Pag bumiti na yung lolo ko, ubos na lahat ang pagod ko sa kanila. So, from there, maliit lang sa mundo pero so sa diretso na kayo sa ano?
Meron po tayong photo op muna. Kayo muna ngayon. Kasi nag-apple na deadline.
Okay. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang po.
Madaldal talaga ako.
Tapos meron po tayong photo op with the pictures.
Oh.
Yan sa Bulwagan. Sa Bulwagan lang.
Ang mga akla, hindi niya.
Nandun po, naka-ready na sila.
Good.
Yung iba hindi po pumasok, hapon na lang daw pumasok. Sa ibang work, hindi dito sa city. Clarify ko lang.
Sige. But before that, we only give this to ambassadors usually. As a matter of a symbolic thing of the people of Manila. We send them to anyone. Really. Special ka lang ngayon. Because I want you to be an ambassador of hope of the country. Because that's what we need nowadays. So, everybody has ito pinakamalaking susing makukuha mo sa
Bakit height niya?
Halika yung dalawa guys. Asia, this is the king of the city. It's a symbol of sort of saying you're always welcome to Club City Hall in Manila. You're the king already. When it is done, you can open it.
Tatry ko to.
Audits. Naliit ako. Pero sa pagmamahal, pantay yan. I hope you will find somebody that will make you happy. Parang kinikilig yung talaga yan.
Teka, meron pa ano eh. Meron pa.
Ano tawag nung mga nanay na talong pipi?
Talong pipi. Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
Sounds like
You're welcome. Pasensyahan mo na yan. Pero yung bago namin logo for our tourism. Yeah. The icons. This is Milagro is a man. The moms of beauties. And that's what name is. Doon tayo sa Manila. Sa Manila. And Manila. Halika, sumama ka mami. Okay. Halika, sumama. Okay. Krista?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ang dami ng ambassador dito, may lang matuluto mo.
And then Mayor, the request requesting for a picture na kanyang dalawa.
Okay. Sige.
Okay.
Sa basketball, black na black ako.
Miss Ariela.
Mayor, Mayor, pwede pa kayong dalawa?
Oh, sure. Sa kanan ko? Okay. Okay. Section na. Okay.
And maybe another one, please. Yun. Beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you.
Halika, dali ko na siya sa mga